માછા નહીં મમ્મી આજો સાચીને તારા નામનું બાઈટ ખવડાવજો સાચી
માછા પણ નહીં ખાવા
સાચી મમ્મીના નામે
आज प्यार का पहला दिन है ये तो खाना ही पड़ेगा आंखें बंद करो मुंह खोलो
નેહા નેહા
Hi guys, welcome back to day 5 for Singapore. How are you guys? Hope you all are doing well. And today we are at one of my favorite locations that I enjoy the most and I'm most excited to see. Today we did not come through any MRT or bus or any public transport. We took a cab because it was saving us a lot of time. And the roads were just lovely. The space, the people, the civic sense, the driving discipline, all very good. And we are here at Monday Wildlife West. So this is the west part of it, and there's bird paradise and rainforest wild Asia. We are going to this bird. We're not doing this time. So, and there's much more to our trip today. It's not just these two parks. There's much more. Stay tuned and for the vlog. But this is so beautiful. This is the freshness of the water. I am really excited for the day today. बहुत ही बढ़िया वाइब मेरे को ऑलरेडी आ रही है और बेटर हो भी सकता है. ये देखिए मस्त handmade waterfall obviously, but vibe, it just sets the vibe at the start when you are starting at a wildlife park. And yeah, hopefully the weather stays the same, overcast, not sunny, cloudy, so that we can roam around, or else the sun or the heat over here in Singapore is very bad. So if you can see, welcome to Monday Wildlife Fest. We will do the bird paradise. So earlier, like our friend had told us that there was a Jurong bird park, but I think now everything shifted to one place, one stop destination, and let's see how it goes. So guys, the first element of wildlife that we have come here to see is penguins. This one swam up. We'll try and go upstairs also to see them. Just missed it by a whisker. But yeah, if you can see that little one is a penguin. So this is the Penguin Cove, and it's just by the entrance. I think a better view would be upstairs. ये देखिए पेंगुइन की टट्टियाँ.
चाचा ये सवेरे क्या मेरे को यही देखने का है क्या?
So यहाँ पे हमें देखने मिलेगा झुंटू पेंगुइन. Very fast penguin. We also do have northern rockhopper out here. Very excited to see this. There's a penguin attraction in the Mumbai Zoo as well, which we had skipped when we had gone there. So very excited to see the penguins out here. And this is really well built. Like, so it's very immersive experience. Let's see what's out here. There's some crowd. Oh, there's a film on penguin. I think we'll just skip this and go for the real penguins. So guys, there we go. This is the penguin island. So many penguins. I think they are looking up to something. I don't know what. I think उनका leader बाहुबली ऊपर होगा. But yeah, so cute, so cute. Let's just go in the front to capture one. See this penguin. So cute.
Penguin.
So cute.
Mommy is staring at me. He's so cute. Jump. Mommy can jump.
Ronnie?
The real advancement that Singapore Zoo has done, and you can see is this, like they have simulated the Arctic or the Antarctic night cycles, days, night times and all of that. They do keep the hunting instinct of penguins also going, and they take care of all the nutrients. So this is something that keeps them so far ahead and help them breed properly. Guys, ये देख ग्रीन वाला उड़ के गया. ये क्या है? Freckled duck. Mass lopping. Guys, this is emu. If you can see the blue neck, that's something that stands out. This is a common emu. Guys, this is Kookaburra, a famous Australian bird, which is also a cricket brand. It's not sleeping, it's awake. But so beautiful, so cute. The blue tinge is something that makes it mesmerizing. These are so cute.
Oh, so cute. Look at that.
Right over here, Nelson. Whenever you are ready. Now sometimes it does take more than one try to catch his prey. Right, Nelson, whenever you are ready.
So guys, हमारा बोट पार्क हो गया है एंड अभी हम जा रहे हैं in 3, 2, 1. Now we are going to Singapore Zoo, one of the finest and world's one of the topmost zoos. अभी इसमें सिर्फ लोचा हुआ है कि जो ज़ू के लिए 4-5 घंटे लग सकते हैं वो हमें 1-1.5 घंटे में कवर करना है. It's gonna be a fight. पर अभी देखते हैं कैसे करेंगे. थोड़ा फास्ट करना पड़ेगा. सबको देखने के लिए ठहर नहीं सकेंगे. थोड़ा जबड़ रखना पड़ेगा. शोज़, मीटअप्स और एक्टिविटी सब मिस करना होगा. पर ठीक है, कर लेंगे क्योंकि इसके बाद हमारा रिवर वंडर्स भी है जिसमें हमें अमेजोन वाले जाना. एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू गो फॉर नाइट सफारी. द पार्ट दैट आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड अबाउट इज द पार्ट दैट वी हैव लेस टाइम फॉर. So that's a bit sad. जैसे मैंने बताया था ऑटर्स बहुत क्यूट होते हैं खेलते हैं. अभी थोड़ा पीछे के साइड है बट अभी ये साइड आएंगे तो दिखेंगे. कुछ खा रहे हैं. इनका लंच जो आ गया. दे आर ऑल्सो एम्फीबियंस, लैंड एंड वाटर बोथ. सो गाइस, हमारे यहाँ पे हम बिकॉज शॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम है और काफ़ी लोग ग्रुप में थक भी गए हैं तो वो लोग ने तो ट्रैम राइड ले लिया है. बट बिकॉज आई लव द सफारी और वाइल्ड लाइफ पार्ट 1 मैं ऑन फुट जा रहा हूँ. आई नो बहुत ही बड़ा पार्क है एंड टू मच टू कवर है सो आई हैव टू बी वेरी फास्ट. बट मुझे ऑन फुट ये जर्नी करने में ज़्यादा लग रहा है कि इट इज़ वर्थ फॉर मी विद द काइंड ऑफ पैशन दैट आई हैव. एंड मुझे अपने हिसाब से टाइम देने मिलेगा. मेरे को ना ही ज़्यादा फ़ोटोज़ लेना है ना ही ज़्यादा वो करना है. बस जो दिख रहा है उसको एंजॉय करना है, उसको चेरिश करना है. जैसे चीता, लायंस एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो वो चीज़ करने में जो मज़ा आएगा. मे बी द डिसीजन कुड बी बेटर पर मुझे ऑन फुट ही बेटर लग रहा है. पैर तो दुख रहा है बट कोई नहीं, कर लेंगे. ये रेड पेंटेड डॉग्स, दे आर वेरी डेंजरस इन द वाइल्ड. पर देखें ये ट्रैम राइड्स है. सो हमारे दोस्त सब इसमें आ रहे हैं एंड इट्स अ गुड ऑप्शन अगर आप थक गए हो कुछ भी हो. बट फॉर मी आई डोंट थिंक सो. This is a thing that I want to do. I think this is rhinoceros is something that always fascinates me. वो उनको देख के एक सेंस ऑफ कनेक्शन फील होता है. सो दे आर वाइट राइनो, जॉन राइनो, इंडियन राइनो विच इज़ इन काजीरंगा, सुमाट्रन राइनो एंड ब्लैक राइनो. White rhino is supposed to be very extremely or threatened. Critically endangered Javan rhino for its skin and horn. It is very much hunted. And अगर देखा जाए तो सभी critically hunted ही है, endangered ही है. So please conserve for rhino. These are the rhinos, fucking great rhinos. So these are let me see, white rhinos. Yeah, so beautiful. This is, I think, the second time that I'm seeing a rhino. First time I think it was in Kochi Zoo. But yeah, this is so beautiful. Would love to be in Kaziranga someday. But yeah, very beautiful. Absolute beast. Their knocks, their power, leg strength and all, even the bite force, tremendous. And the horns, definitely. Would love to see them someday in the Masai Mara, the Great 5. That would be a great experience. Zoo and safari, I think, are very different experiences. In zoo, you know what to expect, and you are just in awe of the magic of the nature. In safari, it's a much more wholesome experience where there's everything different that's happening around. So yeah, there's cheetah on this side, there's zebra on this side. First you'll see the zebra, then we'll go for the cheetah. And yeah, my calves are pumped, a bit pumped, it's paining, but the excitement for these animals will just keep me going. We'll be quick because we don't have a lot of time, but yeah, definitely. Zebra. First time viewing a zebra, really beautiful. Always the other side, always fascinated by the stripes, but yeah, moyo. So these are two kind of zebras with different patterns, V pattern and hook patterns. I think this is the Jaziri zebra. So beautiful, so beautiful. There are some other animals also in the arena, and then one zebra there at the back. And guys, cheetah ki chal. So beautiful, relaxing in the afternoon. Very beautiful. I'll just see if there's one more or someone somewhere right. But yeah, beautiful. First time. I think after the big 5, one type of species that I love the most are reptiles. Here we go to the Reptopia. I like crocodiles, snakes. Maybe that explains my choices also. But yeah, I like this kind of a vibe. Turtles, tortoises, crocodile, alligator, lizards. Very fascinated about this. Want to visit the Komodo island in Indonesia for Komodo dragon. This is the king cobra, famous in India. Very highly venomous and toxic. We'll try to see if we can see it. Oh yeah, we can see some part of it. Oh, that's a big one. I don't know if you can see the head. Oh, it's there. You can see the head. This is a long one snake. And it's scary. It's scary as fuck. This trees. Another king cobra. It's damn scary. It's damn big also. I thought cobras are only smaller, but yeah, big cobras here. So guys, अभी हमने सिंगापुर जू कवर कर लिया है ऑन फुट. एक दो चीज़ें रह गई बट सब मंकी रिलेटेड थी, तो मुझे इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं है वो चीज़ में. सो आई वॉज मोर देन हैप्पी टू स्किप. अभी हमने कुछ ठंडा ले लिया है टू रिकवर द शुगर लॉस, स्वेट हो गया है तो थोड़ा रिप्लेनिश करने के लिए। बाकी अभी हम जाएंगे रिवर वंडर्स, उसके बाद नाइट सफारी। बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेक्टिक, बहुत ही ज़्यादा। तो वैसे अब हम आ चुके हैं रिवर वंडर्स। यहाँ पे एक्वाटिक एनिमल्स और अमेज़ॉन रिलेटेड एक राइड भी है। सो देखते हैं अभी क्या करने मिलेगा क्या नहीं, पर बहुत ही बढ़िया है। वैसे अभी हम आ गए अमेज़ॉन रिवर क्वेस्ट। दिस इज़ $5 एक्स्ट्रा देन द एंट्री टिकट एंड दिस इज़ अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस टू द नॉर्मल एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑन फुट। ये बोट है और ये पानी में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे एनिमल्स वगैरह को। हम यहाँ पहुँचे थोड़ा लेट, 6 o'clock को लास्ट राइड होता है एंड वी रीच अराउंड 5:50, सो वी हैव टू रन एट मैक्स स्पीड टू रीच दिस प्लेस। बट अगर ये यहाँ आए और ये नहीं किया तो वर्थ इट नहीं है। सो वी जस्ट थॉट दैट ओके दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी शुड डू। एंड अभी देखते हैं कैसा होता है, क्या एनिमल्स दिखते हैं क्या नहीं। बट डेफिनेटली इसके चक्कर में हमारा पांडा मिस हो गया, क्योंकि पांडा भी 6:15 को बंद हो जाएगा। बट देखते हैं, वी हैव टू टेक अ कॉल। लाइफ में बस ऐसे ही ऊपर जाते रहना है। एंड द राइड स्टार्ट। नहीं भाई नहीं, मेरे शूज गीले हुए ना, मैं मार दूंगा। उड़ा क्या रौनक? हमारे पे तो नहीं आया। ओह दिस कोलार्ड पॉस्कैरी, आई डोंट नो वो, बट आप सुपर। थोड़ा संभाल के, मंकी फोन ना ले जाए। अब यहाँ क्या बोल फूटेंगे पोना परवाइल्ला। अच्छा ड्यूड फर्स्ट सीट पे नहीं बैठ। कवर निकाल के और उल्टा रखा है पार में।
Greetings, explorers, and welcome to Amazon River Quest. The Amazon River Basin is an amazing place full of life. As we take this boat ride, keep your eyes peeled for well-camouflaged wildlife among the rich vegetation. Try spotting our monkeys among the tree canopies. If you've missed them, fret not. Ride with animals in the Amazon.
No, correct. वो क्रॉसिंग हो जाएगा। सो गाइस, शाम हो गई है, दिन ढल गया है और हमारा रिवर वंडर वाला पार्ट भी ख़त्म हो गया है। अभी वो हमने रिवर क्वेस्ट वाला तो कर लिया, उसके बाद एक पांडा वाला था जो जिसके लिए हमने पूरा अट्रैक्शन बुक किया था, वो तो बंद हो गया 6:15 तक और तब तक हम पहुंच नहीं पाए थे। पर फिर वो रिवर वंडर्स भी घूमा। सो व्हाट आई हैव फेल्ट टिल नाउ इज़ दैट यू कैन डू मल्टीपल पार्क्स इन अ डे। You need to have 4-5 hours per park. Then only you can enjoy, you can study the animal behavior, you can see what they're doing, what not, and just wait for their movements and try to get a very good experience. And if you don't do that, then there's no point in terms of seeing this. We rushed through it because we had to, but now we are at our last destination, the night safari, and we are going in now. We have our slot at 8:15, but we are being asked to reach by 7:30, and yeah, just a second, my group's ahead. Now here we are in for the night safari. We don't know the sequence of events out here, But it's a tram ride of what I'm seeing. Yeah, tram. And there's safari trails also, so we can do both, I think. But and there's an amphitheater also. We need to ask what's that for. Creatures of the Night presentation. Okay, and that's the tram thing. So I think this is the last wildlife adventure of Singapore, and hopefully it turns out to be good. We can see a lot of nocturnal animals in their best behavior, and hopefully this sums up a very good day. Yeah. And we have started the night safari. देखते हैं क्या दिख रहा है क्या नहीं. वैसे तो बहुत कम ही दिख रहा है अभी. Let's see. हाँ डियर्स वगैरह दिख रहे हैं ऊपर.
Greater one-horned rhinoceros, also known as the rhino. Nighttime supper and daytime rest routine. After the hunt, the males will have his fill first, followed by females, and lastly the cubs.
These are flying fox. Another one. Right looking into my eye. Are you vegetarian?
Hello. So the rhino that you guys are looking at right now is an Indian rhino. His name is Nawari. He's the youngest of 4 that we have. So currently he's 9 years old. The lifespan for Indian rhino is usually about 35 to 45. He's 9. He has a brother who is 12. And then he has 2 very, very old female ladies who are 36 and 46.
Ooh.
Currently this boy is about 2.1 tons. So it's 2,100 kg. Still a bit small. They can get up to about 2.5 tons.
Oh.
And he is about 100 kg a day.
100 kg.
If you guys have any other questions you guys want to know, you guys want to ask, can feel free to ask.
It's big revelation. This is there for track.
See that bridge also, it's seen during the days.
Yeah. That's the Helix Bridge. Oh, sorry. But yeah, tomorrow we'll do the track walk, so we'll show you what's what.
By the chute मारेंगे तेरे को running traffic.
अबे तो साइड में करेंगे ना इधर. But yeah, again back to where we belong, Marina Bay Sands.